Hello, welcome back to our craft class. We are again back with a fun and interesting idea, that is how to make an easy birthday greeting card. First, take an A4 size cardstock paper and then fold it into half. Here you can choose whatever the size of the paper that is available with you. Next, I have taken a contrast color, yellow color paper, and I am just cutting the strip of it because I just wanted to reduce the size than the original one, just to fold inside the greeting card. So I have just folded and then folded again back like this. So this we are going to keep inside it. So now here is the scrap paper. I have just downloaded and printed it out, or if you have any gift paper you can use that. So I have just cut down the size of it and then I made a circle on this and then cut using a cutter. Be careful while using the cutters because it may harm your fingers. So, or you can use scissors, just cut a little bit and then you can use the smaller scissors to cut it. So that way it would be very easy to cut this. So if you don't have the scrap papers, obviously you can use the gift papers. So you can attach some paper behind the gift paper and then you can use that instead of this one. So you also need to make a circle in this paper as well. Once you have cut out the round shape in both the sheets of paper, then apply glue to the gift paper or the scrap paper and then you can attach it to this like this. So now the card has become more thickened. If you don't have the cardstock, you can also use the normal A4 paper. So that way when you attach this paper, it would become a little bit stronger. After you attach the scrap paper, check whether there are any extras. If so, just use the scissors to cut out the extra pieces like this. Once you have attached it, you have cut down this yellow color sheet, apply glue to this also and then attach it inside. There are n number of ways to make a greeting card. This is one of it, which is very easy and you don't need to put a lot of energy to make this. That's it. This is ready. So the base of the greeting card is ready. Now we are just going to make a small happy birthday tag. So for that I have taken a white paper and also the pink color paper, which I have cut down from the first part. So I am just drawing out the design. So you need to cut this. If you have some decorative scissors, you can also use that. Since I don't have that, so I'm using this, and this way it would also make everyone more interesting to do that. Even if you don't have any special decorative things, you can also make a greeting card. So that was one of the reason, and that's it. You can cut out few layers color papers, so that way it would look more like a professional greeting card. But still you can make one greeting card for your parents or friends by using this method, even if you don't have any professional things that is bought from the store like cardstock, something like that. Even in this place they use the double-sided tape, because I have the double-sided tape, but since I wanted to make it more easy and look flexible, I am just using the glue, or you can also use the normal cello tape in this place. See how it looks. As I had this happy birthday stamp, I am using. If you don't have, don't bother. Just take a color sketch pen and write it down with your own hands. That is more interesting and fun way to make your own greeting card. So I had this decorative craft punches, so I am using it. It is not really necessary. If you have it, you can use it, or if you don't have, I will also show you how to cut down the small paper flowers with the scissors. You don't need any craft punches. So I had this cute red butterfly, and then I'm just sticking this with the double-sided tape, or you can simply apply the glue. That's it. The greeting card is ready.
I thought to use more flowers to make it more beautiful. So I just cut down a few flowers, and I had this green color paper, and I made this green cute little leaves. So in this place you can also use some stickers as an alternative. So there are 3D stickers which you can, if you have, you can use them and decorate it as you wish. Most of my crafts are very simple and very easy to follow with the minimal things that are available at your home. If you are one who is looking to make crafts but it should not be too expensive. Yes, craft should not be too expensive. It should be made with few things that is available around your home. If you are so, do subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting craft ideas. And also do check out my other craft classes which are also very easy to follow and easy to make. You know something? I also made crafts using just a white paper. Don't forget to check out.
If you are new, check out my other craft class videos and stay tuned for more interesting craft ideas. Bye bye.